Hi. So, as part of our series on learning how to build apps in 2022 without coding, this topic, databases, is something that people very quickly get quite afraid of. But that's the first line I say here. Don't be afraid. It's easier after a few hours of understanding the basics. Okay. If you can, like, think of it like an Excel spreadsheet. You have one sheet, another sheet, another sheet. You can have records of uh, like a restaurant ordering system, an Uber Eats or Deliveroo or something how which you on food order food online. You have restaurants in one sheet, you have the menu in another sheet, you have the orders in another sheet. That's just what a database is. It's nothing to be complicated, nothing to be worried about. Now, in this particular case, I'd say there are many good resources. I personally have found Airtable's blog to be really good. It has nice visuals and nice examples overall to describe how the database works. Both what is database, what is relational database, different types of databases that happen, and then Bubble has its own kind of approach. It's pretty close to a relational database. There are a few unique aspects to it. And then there are many videos on how to structure a database, good database design. Now, if you want to cheat, there is a no-code databases Chrome extension, which basically gives you pre-built database patterns. Okay. My only hesitation with this is that if you don't know the basics of database, copy pasting it, I don't think it will solve the problem. What would be ideal is that you understand the basics and then use no-code databases to just speed up the whole thing. So it's a great extension. You can look at different references, and the other, I believe, where's the roadmap? There was definitely in advanced. I'll sneak in. Uh, One section from the advanced part of the resource here in databases. So Bubble has different database structures and detailed blogs on different database structures. So if you wanted to create a marketplace like Airbnb or something, whatever, and the types of features you see, it kind of there's a detailed kind of this is the data structure that should be followed, and how for this type of marketplace, booking marketplace, what type of options are. If you're making a directory listing app, this is the database to follow. If you're making a SaaS, this is the database you can follow. If you're making a CRM, this is the database you can follow. Okay, so there's lots of helpful material out there. It does take a bit of time to understand it, but once you unlock the principles, I would definitely recommend understanding the principles. It's not just, oh, I need a database, I'll just go find it in the patterns in the manual, and I'll go find it in no code databases and I'll move on. You'll get stuck very quickly. So if you understand the principles, it gets very easy afterwards. All right. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.